So we're at the Eagle Claw booth checking out some new stuff coming out here for 2019-2020 ice fishing season. This is a little Bay Runner here, and what they've added this year to the Bay Runner, which was a very popular model, is a thermal or an insulated material. So you've got a little bit more thickness in this, a insulated, so it's going to be able to stay warmer with less heat. Checking out the inside here, you've got your bench seats on the one side, and the other side is, of course, your little shelf for putting your locators and such on. You've got your 2 holes right there, so you can drill the holes, slide it up and on over. Doors on each side. You've got your little windows on the back, and then, of course, on the sides and on the front, so you have full visibility all the way around. The little arms and everything pop out, and it folds down into a nice, quick little sled on the bottom there. And just to give you an idea, is I'm just doing this with one hand. It's not going to be a huge heavy thing. So 2-person can easily do, 1 person can easily do it if you need to. This is the new version of the Bay Runner. We'll put a link in the description below showing you the new thermal or insulated version that's here for the 2019-2020 ice fishing season.